Tired of losing track of your golf ball on the course? Imagine having a set of golf balls that not only roll just like traditional ones but also come in vibrant colors that stand out on any surface. Whether you're a beginner or just want to add some personality to your game, these colorful golf balls are designed to make your play smoother and more enjoyable. I recently tried these golf balls during a casual round of miniature golf with my wife. What struck me first was the variety. 6 different colors including blue, green, orange, purple, red, and yellow. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference. Instead of all players chasing the same plain white balls, everyone can easily spot their own. It's not just about style, it's about reducing confusion and speeding up the game. What really stood out was how these balls roll just like the traditional ones we're used to. No weird bounces or unexpected stops. For beginners, that consistency builds confidence and helps improve your swing without worrying about unpredictable ball behavior. Plus, having your own unique color adds a fun competitive edge. No more mixing up balls or guessing which one is yours. If you've ever played mini golf or just started learning the game, these balls offer a clear advantage. They make the experience more personal and less frustrating. And while I joked about wanting a ball that could find the hole for me, these colorful options are the next best thing, giving you a reliable, easy-to-track ball every time you play. Worth a look if you're shopping for beginner-friendly golf balls that combine performance with personality. 6 balls in 6 colors means you're set for practice sessions, casual games, or even friendly competitions with family and friends. If that's you, these golf balls can bring a fresh, practical twist to your game. Ready to upgrade your golf gear with a set that stands out and performs well? Try these colorful golf balls when you're ready to make your rounds more fun and less confusing. It's a small change that can improve your focus, speed up play, and add a splash of color to every shot.